Today I'm working on block number 12 of Riley Blake Designs 2022 block challenge. This block is called Argyle Square and it was designed by Melanie Collette. Before I start sewing, I want to point out a couple changes I made to this pattern. For my B and E pieces, instead of one long strip each, I did 2 short strips. These are just 5 inches long, and I can trim from there. And the reason I did that is because I'm working from scraps. I wanted to use this color, but I only had 2 short pieces, and so it gave me an opportunity to be a little bit scrappy too. I resized the ACD pieces to 4.5 inches, and then I cut on the diagonal. I'm doing this because I'm trying to be frugal with my fabric, and I just don't want extra half square triangles left over. I will have to keep an eye on these edges here since they're cut on the bias. I don't want my pieces to stretch out and make my block wonky. I'm going to start by laying out my hourglass blocks to get a good look at how it's going to come together. I'm going to match up my D triangle with a C triangle and my A triangle with the leftover C triangle. And I'm going to try to keep it consistent between blocks just to stay organized. When I match up the pieces, I'm going to keep a very close eye on which edge I'm sewing on. So I don't want to get these 2 edges mixed up. So I'm going to turn it very intentionally with my seam side in the same direction each time. So my seam's going to be here. Make my stack. And I'm lining them up so that I'm sewing from this right angle down to the point, because if I start with a point, then it gets sucked into my machine and makes a mess. So I start at the right angle corner. I'm going to use my B and my E pieces to make super simple little strip sets. And that's all I'm taking to my sewing machine for now. I think this block is going to go really fast. Now I'm going to take my EB units and make cute little 4 patches. My hourglass blocks should come together pretty nicely because I pressed towards the purple for both pieces, so I should be able to nest my seams very accurately. My hourglass blocks are all done. I trimmed them off camera and I also spun my seam so I can reduce bulk in that center. And now I can set these aside. I finished my tiny little 4 patches too, and I also spun those seams. That's just so cute. I love that. And now I'm going to use my G and my F squares to put these 4 patches in another 4 patch. I'm going to sew my top rows together, and then my bottom row, and then I'll sew those together. And then I'm so close. I'm almost done. Okay, here we go. Almost done. Another 4 patch. Okay, I'm going to sew these together and I'll see you at the end.